الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة المائدة ومن الذين قالوا إنا نصارى أخذنا ميثاقهم فنسوا حظا مما ذكروا به فأغرينا بينهم العداوة والبغضاء إلى يوم القيامة وسوف ينبئهم الله بما كانوا يصنعون. Translation. And from those who said, indeed we are Christians, we also took their pledge, but they forgot a portion of guidance of which they were reminded. So we aroused among them the enmity and hatred till the day of resurrection, and soon Allah will show them of what they had been doing. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the Jews. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the Christians. And if we see the history, the Christians and Jews have had the greatest enmity between them. And the reason is very obvious, that the Christians believe that Jesus alayhi salam is, na'udhu billah, the Son of God, while the Jews consider Jesus alayhi salam as the son of an unmarried woman, na'udhu billah. So the harmony between these two religions is impossible, and that's what we have seen in the history. However, in today's world, we see that there is friendship between the two religions, and this is something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made possible in this time. Also, one meaning has been taken that there is enmity between the groups of the Christians, between the different sects of Christians. And if we see the history, the Protestant and Roman Catholic sects have had significant enmity up to the level that they had been fighting with each other. And this happened because they broke their covenant with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And not only they broke the covenant, they forgot the guidance that were given to them in the gospel. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala punished them by making the enmity between the two religions, or between the different sects of Christianity, as we explained. And this will stay till the end of the world. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has even harsher and more severe punishment for them in the hereafter. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us not repeat the mistakes of the people of the book, and stay united as Muslims. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.